Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the driver. After that you can see this is search button. Just enter the model number of motherboard Z690I AORUS Ultra Plus DDR4 and then hit enter. Then click on product. Click on name of the title of your model number motherboard. Then this is your motherboard. Click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. So first audio driver for first download one by one, then show you how to install. So download DTS you can see and click to download. Chipset driver, so this is required serial driver, so this is important. And one more INF installer also important. You click to download. LAN driver you can see internet driver, ethernet driver. Click to download. And VGA driver, Intel graphic driver you can see, just go to download. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and click to download. Okay, after that you click on see here and it is downloading and then show you how to install. First completed, then you click to icon and where it is downloading it, open it, you can see. So this is your driver, so wait for complete. So guys, it is completed. So first download all driver. First select this and right click and extract all, and same locations just extract it. Okay, it will open and close it. Okay, this created this folder you can see. Then info update, right click, extract all, extract, and same close it. You can then this one right click and extract all, one by one do that. Then this right click, extract all, and then extract. So one by one extract all or your driver. Otherwise you can without extract and you just double click to install. But sometime we get the issues in this last. Then it is done and close it. then just right click to refresh it. So this is your actual driver and this is also your, but this is extracted. So guys, first open this, select, right click and run as administrator. Then click on yes. So wait few seconds, this is installing. It will take some time. Okay, it will close automatically, means this is install it. Okay, it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then go to back, then second one, same, select and right click to administrator, run as administrator, and then yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Go back, then third one, just select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Because installations process very simple. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then fourth one, open, select, right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means install, and then come to back again. Then fifth one, same, select and right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then back, then second last, this one, and this is last. So open this, select, right click to run as administrator. After that, click on yes. So it is closed, means this is installed. Back, and last one, graphic driver, just open it, and the same, select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So this is installing driver. This is graphic card driver, display driver, monitor driver, you can say that. So it will take take some time. After install the all driver, then restart your system. Okay, restart, so important for your system after install the driver. Okay, thank you.